The back of my little MG. I forgot. Got more fireworks everywhere, you know. Nice. These are really nice. Sky Smashers. Got Pyro Demon. Really nice. I think they come in a pack of 9. Here's some Corona. Need some Corona? You know, I had to get those. Freedom rings. A couple cakes I poked. They never actually shut off yet. These are supposed to be really nice. These report really nice and loud. So sky spinners. Pooping dogs. Crappy firecrackers. Oh, these things are nice. I'll do a demo on these. Sonic Salute. You know, good ones. Dynamite fireworks. If you see these, pick them up. If you see them in the store, pick them up. Not a lot of stores will have them. Pack of 6. I think I paid $13 for them. They're really nice. Overloads, you know. Let's see what we got. Tsunami, little 200. Something that's, who knows, mystery now. It's already poked and ready to go. Little thunder missile. These are badass little pieces. And just a little bit more that I stumbled across. I kind of got it everywhere. That's some little 3-inch in the process. Making, probably gonna redo. XCal Exterminator. This is a Chaos Shell. This is an old out of one of the 6-pack. Old ones out of the 6-pack. And this one weighs more than the 24-packs ones do, so that'll be interesting to see how that one does. Little fuse stash, you know. Stuff's getting harder to get. Gotta snatch it up when you can. We'll go over here. This place is dirty as heck. We got some tubes, some racks. 3-inch. There's a little bit more, and those are full of XCals and Exterminators. Alright.